Once a mother bird and her two newborn babies lived in a forest in a nest in a tall tree. One day there was a storm with thunder, lightning, and rain. The tall tree in which the birds lived was also blown away along with many other trees. The mother bird was killed, but the baby birds were blown away to the different sides of the forest. One bird landed near a cave where robbers lived. The other bird came outside a rishi's ashram. They started living where they had landed and with the passing of time became big birds. One day, the king of the country came to the forest to hunt. He rode after a deer and lost his way. He stood near a cave when he heard a big brown bird's voice calling out to some robbers to come and snatch the king's jewels and horse. The king was scared and rode away. Soon he came to the rishi's ashram. He sat down under a tree when he heard a big brown bird welcoming him warmly. The king was very surprised. The rishi soon came back. The king told him about the strange behavior of the two birds, which were otherwise similar. The rishi explained the reason to the king. It was because of the different company that each bird had been living in. He said, one is known by the company one keeps. That bird has always heard the talk of robbers. He imitates them and talks about robbing people. Whereas this one has repeated what he has always heard. He welcomes people to the ashram. This story teaches us that we must make friends with good-natured people. If we live in the company of bad people, we will also turn out like them. But if we stay with good people, we can build our character.